Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact. I have another tool to show off to you today. I originally thought this one was just another link in bio tool that I saw people using around, but it's actually so much more than that. Let's check it out. The tool is called Substack, and it offers both businesses and their audience to be able to connect on this app through the different posts, podcasts, videos, and even threads that go on around the content a business produces. As an audience member, you can easily download the app and get introduced to other businesses that follow or post content on similar trends, keywords, or topics that you're most interested in. So the reason I said this tool is really so much more than a link in bio is because of the network that comes with it. You can see here, 20% of paid subscriptions to Substacks come from within the network, or Substack recommending your podcast, your blogs, your content from your page to other audience members that haven't found you yet. Here's an example of what this looks like from Tanmeet Sethi's Substack page. So you can see here that she has all of her content displayed on the page. If there's something that you want to click in and read more about, you can simply click in and read more about it. I had mentioned threads before, and you can see here that there's 9 different comments on this post. Now, these comments are for paid subscribers only. If this content that you're creating really resonates with the people who find it, which hopefully it should, because that's why you're making it, right? Then you're able to encourage them to subscribe in order to engage, a great way to collect emails. Or maybe that's your whole goal. You want to make money through subscribership to your content. Done. Substack can do that for you. It's an all-in-one platform that allows you to post videos, podcasts, blog content. You can even recreate social posts and embed them right into your Substack content or posts, they're called, that would appear onto your page. Now, this is Interact Quiz Maker, so of course, let's talk about how you can add quizzes into your Substack page as well, and maybe why you would want to do so. If somebody doesn't want to pay to subscribe, could you collect their email from a quiz within this piece of content? Now, this piece here talks about being confused, how it relates to your emotions, and really the bigger impact that that has on the world. So what about a fun quiz like, what's confusing your unexplained heartache? Or how are you labeling injustices in our world? And you can see here, because remember, repetition is key online. I think it's, what's the saying? 7 times make something a habit. So allow your followers to see that quiz at least 7 times. If I go back here and look at some of this other content, what's one quiz that would fit into all of this here? Perhaps that's, what's your advocacy style, or which self-care solution is right for you. That same quiz on all of the content, allowing people to see it multiple times, will ensure that you'll grab an email subscriber even if they don't pay to subscribe to your full content. Then when you collect their email, you can email them all about the answers that they've chosen in your quiz, using segmentation based on the proper quiz result that they got, to really explain further why they should subscribe, why they should read this piece of content over that piece of content, to really help them to where they need to get to be. You want to take them on that journey, and using a quiz in your content, allowing you to collect zero-party data and using that in your email marketing is really going to be a big driver in growing revenue. Maybe that's just subscriptions to your Substack, or maybe that's to other offerings as well. The added benefit of adding a quiz to your Substack page is, remember that Substack is recommending your content to other viewers or audience members that would relate to the topics, the trends, the keywords that you talk about. So if people aren't wanting to pay or to subscribe to your Substack content right away, then at least you can collect that email address to do all the fancy email marketing things we just talked about. The easiest way to create content or a post on Substack and add your quiz is simply by linking it. So here I am in my Substack account. I will click on New Post, and then here you can enter in a title, a subtitle, and actually create your content. So I'm going to keep this short, but check this out. I literally used the title of my quiz as the topic here of this blog. I used the description of my quiz as the subtopic here, added a cute little photo of me traveling, my Bitmoji traveling to Cuba, and then I just wrote a small little blurb about why you might want to travel because the world has been closed up for so long. It's time to start jet setting again. The world has been opening back up, but where are you going to go? And then it just simply links out to this quiz people are able to click on and start taking right away. To add a link to your quiz, simply head over to your Interact account for the quiz that you want to link. Click on share and embed. And then the share link, you'll just copy link right here. And then back in Substack, you will just highlight the text that you want to link. Click the link button up at the top and then simply paste your link in there and click link. Now, I'm a fan of catching people's attention however they might like to have their attention caught, right? Maybe that's through a quiz and subscribing that way. Maybe it's through subscribing directly to my Substack account. So if you click on buttons here, you can add a subscribe option, a subscribe with a caption, all of these different options so that your subscribe function right from Substack is right here, especially if your goal is to monetize on this content. People will purchase a subscription in order to see all of your content. Look here, you could even add a custom button, enter text like take quiz, and then paste in the link to your Interact quiz here and click OK. Adding a button would give even more attention to the fact that there is a quiz on this page. Once you are ready to publish this, simply click update. You can play around with some settings and then publish your post. Something I really love about this tool is when you're posting your content, it automatically sends an email out to any of your subscribers, letting them know this content is now available. So check it out. The title of my post is literally the subject line of the email. And then the whole post that I have here appears here. That subscribe button, I'm already subscribed to myself. I did ignore all of this because I did originally try to embed the quiz in the Substack post. Unfortunately, that doesn't work yet. Substack, hit us up. Maybe we can figure out an integration there. But so I had updated the post when I previously showed you on that last screen. But exactly what you're posting will appear here. They can easily click on read an app to get the whole experience, like it, comment on it, share it, and things like this. The other really awesome thing was Substack sent me, the creator, some content that I could repurpose to talk about this post. So here's one for Twitter that I can download, something for an Instagram story, again, downloadable. And look, Interact is not red at all in terms of brand colors, right? But you're able to adjust all of that in your settings so that when you do get these assets, they are ready to go, ready to post, looking like your brand, like you've created them when really you didn't. Last thing I want to show you, which was totally unexpected, is the analytics that I can see on these posts. Now, I will be completely transparent. I am 100% playing around with this tool for the purposes of this video. I did not intend to hit any traffic or reach anybody specifically. I chose one of our Interact quiz templates, created a quick little post just to, again, show you how the platform works. But look, already in the few minutes that I had posted that content, I got 8 total views. Hey, that's 8 people that I never would have met otherwise, right? One recipient got that. That was me. And I haven't even set up my full Substack account yet. I haven't turned on subscribership. I haven't posted outside of this one post. So I can really see how valuable of a tool this really is, both in terms of growth and reaching your audience and collecting subscribers and making money off of the content that you're creating. The other cool thing that you can see is where your traffic is coming from. So I can see that people directly found my post through the network. You can also look at your reach. It looks like maybe I'll get a little bit more data here within the hour. Again, I haven't even hit an hour and I'm already getting this reach, which is awesome. Same thing, there's a tab for analytics on engagement. So you can see, because your content is being emailed out to your subscribers directly, you can see the open rates, the click-through rates, the engagement rates here, and then also growth. So what do your free subscribers look like? Maybe who can you target different messages to, right? To continue to grow your email list and grow your income. All right, my friends, that is my review of Substack. If you liked what you saw, hit subscribe and how you can use Substack and their network with your quiz to grow your income and your email list. If you need a quiz, head over to ai.tryinteract.com and have a quiz built for you.